Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add Chinese lunar calendar in your Windows 11. So on Windows 11, as you can see, if you click on a system tray on the taskbar, you can see the calendar here, just ordinary calendar. There is no event or there is no something that interesting here, just date, year, and month. But if you're from China or if you're from Chinese ethnicity, you need to know the lunar calendar. You can add it on Windows 11. There is a feature to add lunar calendar in system tray. So you can jump into your Windows settings. Then you can try to search a time and language option. Here you can click. Then next you can click a language and region. Here I'm sorry, you can click date and time, and here in additional settings you can click show additional calendar in taskbar. There is a simplified Chinese and traditional Chinese. Let's try the simplified Chinese. If you click date and time on your system tray, as you can see, there is a Chinese lunar calendar here as additional, and this one is traditional one. So feel free to try to enjoy these features, lunar calendar on your Windows 11. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.